First throw, wala. Second throw po tayo. Ready, jumper. Number 1 out. Alvis. 2 minutes. Iason. Baseline drive. Foul on number 43. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Soil out. First throw no good. Second throw po tayo. Second throw, wala. Ribbon back ito. Dison. Pass to David. 15-second shot off. David. 10 seconds to shoot. Still by side. Nagmamala si Alvis. Naiwan. 2 points sa inyo, Mr. Alvis. Change favor. David, natabigan na bola. Pass to Mr. Dalosa. Pass to Alvis to Mr. Gizon. Foul on number 13, David. Penalty. First throw is good. Second throw is good again. The B. Pass to Dison. Titiran Andres. Short. Rebound by number 21, bullet pass number 10, 10 seconds to shoot, 9, 8, 7, 6, isang shot, nakuha ni Mr. Bruce, pass to Mr. Alvis, Unsoy, basket down, and one foul on number 8, bonus shot, wala. Rhythm by same ball. 51 seconds remaining. 51. Fulosa. And you play to Mr. Iason. Number 21 by Pabatang Tira. Wala. Rhythm by Tolosa. Penalty, foul on number 21, first personal penalty. 37 seconds remaining for the first quarter. First throw, wala. Second throw, wala pa rin. Live up by close. Foul on number 23, first personal. First throw, wala. Second throw, wala pa rin. Rebound by Susawi, wala pa rin. Rebound by Sawa. No, Mr. David. Pass break to by. Naiwanan sa ito. Steal by side. Tolosa. To Alvis. Pull up J. Wala. 18 seconds remaining. Foul on number 21, Mr. Bruce. First personal warning for penalty. 17 seconds remaining. 17 seconds. David. Bullet pass to 10 seconds remaining. Six seconds remaining. 4 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Foul on number 21. Second personal penalty. May 1 seconds pa po. First row wala. Second row po tayo. 1 seconds remaining. Wait for the buzzer. Second row. End of the first quarter. Official score 20-13.